Morning guys, we're on flipping cars. We're on this today. I'm going to replace this. So obviously I've already undone it all because obviously the other one I bought was wrong. So I will show you what I'm doing at the moment. I won't show you the process because I'm not a paint sprayer, so I won't do that. I think there's so many YouTube videos with all the professionals that do it properly. So yeah, there you go guys, welcome to my spray booth. Bit of a makeshift, but it's working. So there's it primed up. Done about three coats I think of primer so far, and then obviously got to put the black on, a couple coats of that, and then clear coat. So yeah, thought I'd show you guys. So fingers crossed once that's all done and dried in a few days, put that wing on, take it in for the MOT, job done. Alright, colour's all on now. All nice and even. Just let that dry. And then put some clear coat on it. I've literally used nearly a whole can. So it's got about 4 coats on it. Nice thick coats on it. So it won't rust and it's all good. So on to the clear coat next. There you go guys. Not paint sprayer, but can't complain about that. You can see in it. Just needs to be a bit more polished, as you can see. But can't complain. Look at that. All from an aerosol. Guys, I'm getting haunted by this car. Right. Put a whole new engine in, I think. Done the wing now, all ready for the MOT. And guess what now? Put the key in, turn the key, and what's this like? Power steering. The electric power steering's packed up. Start the car, doesn't turn off. Steering's all heavy, so good yo, gonna fail the MOT.
Later.
That's all on. Now, fingers crossed. Let's put the battery on. Shut it on there for now. Come on, I need some luck on this bloody car. Doing my nutting now. Alright, here goes. Ignition on. Yes, guys, look, it's gone off. It has gone off. Now let's see if it works. Yes, we've got power steering again. Yes! Good morning YouTubers, how are you all doing? Thought I'd show my face a bit because I can see other YouTubers do it, and obviously some people like to see a voice to a bloody face. So on our way to the MOT garage for the Peugeot, as we're in the Peugeot now. Obviously last time it failed again for the freaking second time on service brake, binding, headlight not working, headlamp not working, and horn not working, offside rear, brake effort low. So what I did was I put a new brake cylinder on. There's a video of me doing that. I also had to change the brake pipe because it's completely rusted, and yeah, I couldn't even undo it. Found out the issue with the headlights, well, the passenger side, which was where I'd done the bloody wing. For some reason I plugged it all in, but I plugged it in at the wrong angle, so it wasn't actually touching the third pin, because there's 3 pins. So that's the reason that didn't work. So straight away I done that. And then the third thing was obviously the horn weren't working. And what happened is someone's bodged the horn with some dodgy wiring, and it wasn't earthing properly, so I just redone that properly and not bodged it. Right guys, guess what? The car has gone in for an MOT, and has it passed or has it failed? Ta-da! It's passed with no advisories, just what we wanted. So now I'm going to go to Halfords, buy some hubcaps, going to polish the car, clean it all up, and it's up for sale. Woohoo! Right, anyway, I'm happy now because now I can get rid of this bloody car that has literally cost me so much time and effort to get this car done. Changing the engine, changing this, changing that. Was it worth it? No, of course it weren't worth it, because I'm probably going to break even on this car now. But I'd rather it not go to a scrapyard and actually get it working back on the road for someone else to drive it. And that was the plan. See why people like these cars. They're like little go-karts. They actually drive quite nice. So I do see why people actually drive them. Cheap to run, I think you get like 60-70 miles per gallon because it's only like a 1 litre 3-cylinder. £20 a year tax, can't really go wrong, can you? So for first car, it's a great little thing. It's got, the only issue I don't like about this car is it's very tinny. It's a bit like a KA with the metal doors. And there's one little thing that I really don't like, is the road noise. The road noise is absolutely terrible. It literally sounds like you've got no suspension or something, or I don't know how to describe it. It is just so noisy on every bump and every little bit of the road. You can hear every single bit of noise. I think even the KAs are quieter than this, to be honest. But obviously it's cheap and cheerful. And that's basically all you want, isn't it? Cheap, cheerful, little run around. So, I will put all the numbers up on the screen later to show you what I've actually spent and what I should hopefully be able to sell the car for. Actually, I'll tell you what, put in the comments, guys, what you think I could sell this for. Obviously, it's done 98,000 miles. It's a, what, 56 plate. Black. It's the urban version, so it's got electric windows. It hasn't got aircon. Central locking. That's basically it. Yeah. So put in the comments what you think I could actually sell this for. What do you reckon? Because I'm intrigued to know. I've got a figure in my head already, but you guys tell me what you think I should sell it for.